man. Hello, world of YouTube or Facebook, etc. We're watching this. This is another unboxing of, actually, funnily enough, the American Express Business Platinum card. I got a email that I was targeted for. This is my first, actually, platinum card, I believe, at all. Wait, no, I did have personal, but I got rid of that. So I right away. So I have the business version now with a huge elevated offer of 200,000 points for 20,000 spend. We have a lot of purchases coming up, big ones too, because my wife and I plan on doing Uber a lot more this year, and we plan on getting GoPros and showing you around as we Uber and get our business going. But anyways, let me get straight to the unboxing. Well, I did have to cover up my address, so I did open it, but I didn't open it. I mean, the card has not been opened, the box has not been opened, just the inside, like, hold on. But yeah, anyways. See? Box has not been tampered with except for the cover of the address. Now let's get this part open. Hang on. Make it nice and smooth. There's nothing like platinum. There's nothing like platinum, is what it says. Now let's get this. I believe this is how it works. I've never done this in a long time, so I'm not sure how this works. I've never done this version either. So now, get this open. I'm probably gonna have to edit through this as I figure this out. Damn, it's a box in a box. Hold on. Should have covered that too, damn it. Well, anyways, I mean, I wish there was a better way to unbox this, but for the most part, yeah, there it is. The Amex Business Platinum, and now let me just unbox this or get this out. You know, there's paperwork in here too. There should be. Yep. There's paperwork in here. But hold on a second. Get the card out. I gotta activate it in a little bit too. That's heavy. Where's me get the paper out? Let me do this first. Yep, this is the paperwork. I will do this later. I'm gonna have to edit through this as I'm figuring this out. Hun, can you stop the camera for a minute and help me? Alright, well now I got the card out. It took me a minute to get it out. But now towards this bonus, my wife and I are gonna be getting GoPros, prepaying my family's bills. And overall just like doing everything we have to sign a bonus that we can based on our work budget. But it's gonna be it's not gonna be easy, but it's not gonna be the best either. But it's a great welcome offer. But this year, sorry, a little comedy there. But my wife and I plan on doing Uber together, and we're also making cosplay, where we're gonna, you know, like dress up as like a Spider Man like thing for like Uber if you want to see us in that too, like in our own cosplay. I already bought the materials, so we're gonna be in the process of making it. But yeah. Well, aside from doing Uber and stuff like that, I think that's pretty much all we're doing this year. Is that we're going to show you along the way around our town, and well, and I hope you all have a nice day or night, depending where you are. Goodbye.
Hey, hello again. I wanted to edit this in and be like, well, I kind of had to open a ticket with Amex because, well, like, I couldn't add it to Apple Pay, but the physical card does work, so I can't believe for an expensive card, especially for a business or personal, you can't add it to Apple Pay. That seems kind of ridiculous, but I opened the ticket. I hope it gets solved, and they said to try it by March 7th. I gave them my SEID number and my phone and a photo of the error. They told me to screenshot both. I sent it to their email, and I'll show the email name or thing I sent it to and their automatic response. And well, yeah, goodbye again.